Welcome to this tutorial on CyberArk flows. This tutorial series is meant to get you started with the use of flows. In this video, I will introduce you in the solution and talk about a few use cases and how you can get a flows tenant. So what is flows about? It's a SaaS solution that offers you a no-code visual designer to build automation workflows. It's a framework that allows you to connect any API and manipulate data. And as such, you can connect various applications together. It gives you the capability to call APIs, work with and transform the collected data, collect user input, and much more. Some typical examples include use cases such as the enhancement of lifecycle identity management, the automation to responses to events, such as security events, and connect multiple applications together through APIs. Identity Flows is an orchestration and automation solution which allows you to create no-code workflows to automate business processes. You can create application integration by either the use of thousands of pre-built connectors or quickly build your own. The visual no-code editor allows you to drag and drop elements together and connect them together, and no coding is required. Automates complex business processes and connects data into workflows quickly and easily. Let me take you through a few examples. This example is about enhancing identity lifecycle management. In this case, flows will monitor external resources or will be triggered to take lifecycle management actions into virtually any configured applications. In this example, it will monitor an HR system or have the HR system trigger a call. Then it will start a workflow that would collect extra information or transform data, creates a user in CyberArk identity, provision access to downstream applications such as Zscaler, and send out some messages to users by Slack and email. Flows can provide value in the enterprise by automating identity lifecycle management processes across heterogeneous HR applications and user repositories. With flows, organizations can efficiently provision identities and access privileges when people join the company, adjust access when they change their roles, or even terminate access when users leave the company, etc. The second use case is about addressing orchestration of responses to security events. In this case, CyberArk Flows will monitor Proofpoint. And Proofpoint is an email security tool that has an indicator on how attacked a user may be by email, spam, phishing, etc. That would result in a VAP score. And VAP stands for Very Attacked Person Score. If that score is above a certain threshold, then action will be taken. The user, for example, will be forced to have stronger authentication mechanisms. Or temporarily, he may be disallowed access to critical applications. Obviously, the user will be notified by email, or a message will be posted on Slack or Teams. Flows has many possible interactions. A workflow can be started manually, it could be scheduled, or triggered by another system. It can work with any API, interact with users via forms, work with parameters such as in the body or header of a payload, loop through results, take decisions, and manipulate any data during the workflow. At the end, a workflow can just stop or call another workflow or an API. How can you get flows? Well, you can simply request for a 30 days free trial of CyberArk Identity. I have provided the link below in the comments. Once this is provisioned, you can speak to your CyberArk representative who can then enable flows on your tenant. All of this comes with no limitation during the trial period. In the next video, I will navigate you through the interface so you will know what you can find where and how to work with flows.